Hello, I'm Steve, this is Bit of Munch, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing OXO chicken in red wine with Boulangère potatoes. Now, I've never heard of Boulangère potatoes. I got this from Asda, by the way, £1.75. Yeah, Boulangère potatoes. Now, I haven't Googled it. I could have Googled it before the video to find out about them, but I haven't. So I didn't want to be influenced by what they're meant to be like, if you know what I mean. Right, serves one. What's the weight of it? 400 grams, I think. Yeah, 400 grams. Now, if you look at the traffic light system on this, it's 3 greens and 1 red, which is the salt. So, not too bad for a microwave meal. Maybe the 100% cooked chicken breast. Right, let's have a look at the ingredients and the description. Where's the product description? There it is. Cooked chicken pieces in a red wine, onion, mushroom and smoked bacon lardon sauce with sliced skin-on sautéed potatoes in an onion, garlic and herb sauce. So there's a lot of flavours going on there. I wonder if I'll be able to taste all of them. We will find out. Right, loads of ingredients. I'll just tell you the percentages. So the Boulangère potatoes make up 40. No, they don't. Make up 50% of this. Oh, by the way, Boulangère, if my French is correct, means baker. Baker potatoes. Okay. Right. Onion 5%. Chicken stock 2%. Blah, blah, blah. Cooked chicken breast pieces 11%. Mushrooms 4%. Red wine 2%. Carrot 1%. Oh, smoked bacon lardons 2%. And loads of other bits and pieces. But as far as I can tell, I don't know. I don't think there's any nasty stuff in there. But I don't know. I'm no expert. You have a look if it will focus. I don't know if it will focus. Probably not, but you can always have a look on the Asda website. Although I don't remember seeing this on the Asda website. I was actually in Asda. I don't go to Asda very often. And I spotted this. And I thought, I don't remember seeing that on the website. So I picked it up. They had a few OXO ready meals actually. But this is the one that really appealed to me. Okay, you can microwave it or oven cook it. Obviously I'm going to microwave it. 6 minutes. Stir sauce side only. And then another 2 minutes. So 8 minutes. Right. I will bring you back in not 8 minutes, but about, well, I don't know, about 0.8 of a second. Just thought I'd show you what it looks like before it goes in the microwave. There you go. Not much to look at, I know, but just thought I'd show you. Right, there it is. There it is. In all its, I don't know, I was going to say glory, but we don't know yet, do we? We don't know what it tastes like. I was expecting more potatoes, considering on the box it said 50% potatoes. Doesn't look like 50% to me. It looks like, well, it looks like mainly sauce. And to go with it, I have got one of these Hovis cheese top rolls. I'm buying them regularly now since I discovered them because they're so good. And I've cut that in half and put some seriously cheese spread on it. Just because you've got to cheese it up, haven't you? Right. I like cheesing it up. Okay. I might have to keep referring to the box here because, as I said, there's so many ingredients in this thing. I'll have to keep referring to it to see if I can taste them all. Right, I'll try the potatoes first. So, let's see. I'm meant to be tasting onion, garlic and herb with the potatoes. I know there's other things in the ingredients, but I'm just looking at the product description for the main things I'm meant to be tasting. I've tried to keep them separate, but it's a bit difficult. Okay. There we go then, Boulangère potatoes. That little bit I just had was a bit of onion, but the actual potatoes, onion, garlic and herb, but I can't taste any herb. I have to say, the potatoes are cooked really well. The consistency of them, the texture of them, is just right, it's just spot on. But, they're under-seasoned, again. I've got my salt and pepper handy. Let's have another one. Can't taste any garlic. Barely taste any herbs. A little bit of onion. Incredibly under-seasoned. Okay. Let's go for this red wine sauce. We got red wine, onion, mushroom, smoked bacon. Well, I'm not picking up any red wine. The main taste of that sauce, to me, is mushrooms. Which isn't a bad thing. It's actually quite a nice sauce. But it hasn't got the sort of complexity I was expecting. There's a couple of big old onions here. Big old little onions, does that make sense? Probably not. I think that's bacon. And onion. So it's quite a nice sauce, very mushroomy, but again, it is under-seasoned. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bits of chicken here. As far as I can tell, there's one tiny bit of carrot and a couple of larger bits. Let's try one of the larger pieces. Doesn't taste of carrot whatsoever. Just tastes like the sauce. Okay, what's the chicken like? Oh, that chicken's lovely. That's a really good bit of chicken. That really is. Yeah. Right, I can see myself putting salt and pepper over the rest of this though. Okay, let's try a bit of everything. Then I'm going to season it up. The smallest bit of chicken. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Salt. Pepper. I don't use pepper much. Seems to last forever. Hang on, let's just have a look. What's the date on this thing? November 2023. Okay. So it's a few months out of date, but it's only pepper. What can go wrong with it? I can't even tell if anything's coming out. Probably loads coming out. Put a bit of salt on this bit as well. Right. Right, okay. Well, that's better, but I really can't recommend that one. The sauce is quite nice, but it's under-seasoned. The potatoes are drastically under-seasoned. So, even though the salt says 35%, so 1/3 of your daily intake, where on earth that salt has gone, I don't know, because I can't pick it up. Yeah, can't recommend it. Can't recommend it. Can't recommend it. Right, let me know if you tried that. Are they proper Boulangère potatoes? I'd really like to know what they're meant to be like. I'm sure they're not meant to be like that. Just slices of potato in a bland, under-seasoned sauce. So, yeah, do those things. And I'm going to go and eat that. I might even put some more salt on it. I don't know. At least my bread roll has got some taste. These bread rolls are great. They're really cheesy. Right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.